Hey everybody, it is LaMeel, the priestess. Welcome to LaMeel TV and my series on aligning with miracles. This is day 3, and we are talking about asking, receiving, allowing, and aligning. So if you're new here, welcome. Please subscribe so that you can get the rest of the videos in this series. If this is the first video that you've watched in this series, pause and go back and start with video 1 so that you can build through the practice and go on this journey with us in aligning with miracles. Also, if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell notification so that you can get all of the updates as I upload new videos on a weekly basis, usually twice a week. So with that being said, let's get started. Okay, so there are 4 basic steps, right, in aligning yourself and receiving miracles. Step 1 is that you ask. So now is the time to pull out that journal and figure out on this journey, what is it over the next 28 days that I want to manifest? What do you want to manifest? Money, car, clothes, a relationship, a feeling. Some people sometimes are going through, I've had a lot of clients through LaMeel.com that are going through depression, things like that. And they're just trying to manifest a higher vibration for themselves, a better diet for themselves, you know, those types of things. And so you can align and request any type of miracle that you want in your life, but you need to be very, very clear. You need to be clear. Okay. Don't be like, I just want some more money. I mean, you could end up tomorrow with $50 more or even $10 more than you had today. Is that really what you're trying to manifest? Because if you are really meaning like $50,000, right? But all you write is, I want more money, and then somebody gives you $10 more, well, manifestation completed, right? And then universe is like, that's done. Let's move on. So you need to be very, very specific. Okay. And there's 2 ways that there's a specific general, and then there's a specific. So you may say, I want this car, this year, this color, this interior, right? So that's specific. You could then say, I want the best car for me right now. Whatever is the best for me in this moment based on the money that I have. You know, I don't want to pay more than X number of dollars. So whatever is best for me, that's what I want to become available to me so that I can receive that instantly. Boom. That's it. That is specific, and then there's like a specific general. Okay, so the general specific is, I want whatever is best for me in this area. Specific is the color, the make, the model, the interior, the type of tires, the how much it costs, the da 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 da. But you need to be clear. I just want a car. Trust me, I know it. It can linger forever because anything could technically be suitable. You know, you're just kind of in that blah feeling. And if you say you needed a car, but you're in that blah feeling, then that's not the thing to work on, to align with, or to create a miracle from, or to manifest. You know, you need to wait until you are guided and are aligned with something that you can clarify. Okay, that's step 1. Step 2, and I hope you have your journals out, is you receive. As soon as you ask, the way to the situation, the people, the place, the thing, the money, whatever, it's there in a perfect way. It is present. Okay, so there's nothing for you, but that's not your job. That is source. Okay, that is the universe. Like, she wants this, boom, there it is, that's hers. Okay, so step 2 has nothing to do with that. Step 3 is allowing, and allowing is really believing. So I've asked for it, now I have to believe. That's the allowing, that I can have it. So if you ask for a new car and you don't believe that you can have it, guess what? You're not going to get the car because you're not allowing it to happen just by your disbelief, which is why we went through on day 1 and day 2 is like, what is a miracle? Have you seen miracles happen for yourself and for other people? And being open to miracles, right? So you have to believe that it is something that can happen for you. If you're asking for something that you do not believe in any way, shape, or form can happen for you, you're wasting your time. Turn it off, go do something else. You have to believe. So you need to be asking for something that you can get your belief behind, that you deserve this, that this can happen. And you can start small and build up, because when you want something that you think is small and it manifests and it's like, oh, you've built your belief system, right? So now you can try for something different and keep aligning with more and more of these types of miracles in your life because you have evidence that it works. And some people work that way. Other people are like when I did it, $5,000? Okay, I can have that. And boom, there it was. And I may do a video about that, like my very first manifestation, just during this journey, so that you kind of have that as a reference point. It was my very first manifestation, and it happened in like 20 days, and it was quite freaking amazing. So, and at the time, I was studying from Think and Grow Rich and the Universal Laws of Success by Deepak Chopra. So, step 3 is you have to believe. The believing is the allowing stage. And the final one is the alignment stage, right? Now, alignment is huge. I even have a group coaching program. I'll put the link below if you're interested in that, because allowing is where your work is. It's you can have faith and you can believe this can happen to me, but if you can't get into alignment and stay in alignment, then it may come sometimes and this, that, and the other. Alignment is about expecting and being happy. And our society has made it very hard for us to be happy, to express happiness, to vibrate at the vibration of happy, joy, love, and all the stuff that's really, really up there, really high. So alignment is where most of our work is. And a lot of the rest of these videos in this series on our journey is about the work of staying in alignment, because we are so accustomed to allowing external forces to determine how we feel instead of deciding how we feel and drawing the external circumstances to us that magnify how we feel. We've been taught from birth the opposite. And so you can feel good and somebody says something, they piss you off, and then your whole day is all fucked up because we let external things determine how we feel. And so we ask for something and we're looking for this miracle, and then we say, okay, I'm going to feel good, and you're moving towards this miracle, and it's like, oh, it's happening. And then your current car stops working, or something happens to your kid, or your boss says something, or you have to work late, and then you start feeling like shit, and you're moving away from that miracle that was delivered as soon as you asked for it. And then it's like, okay, I'm going to feel good, I'm going to work on that, I'm going to go, and you're moving towards it, and then something external. Alignment is just being in alignment with what you want, regardless of what's going on here. And if you hold it long enough, what's going on externally will start to shift and be reflective of the alignment and the joy and the happiness and the love that you are experiencing internally. So those are the steps. For more information and for more training on the steps and about living that, like the actual steps of asking and receiving, I offer that in my group training, Alignment Boss. And like I said, I'll put the link below if you want to check that out. But understanding that that's the process of how things manifest, miracles and other things. And when you get really good at it, everything that you manifest will seem like a miracle. Like, I can look at something and go, oh man, I would love to have that. And then it shows up like a week later. Whether a circumstance presents itself for me to buy it, somebody gives it to me, somebody says, hey, do you like this? Or, hey, I found this, or whatever, and it's that thing, right? So it's like a constant miracle manifestation, thing that goes on. And I got to experience that today, and I get to experience, that yesterday. And I'm really working on this personally in my own life, in relationships with my children, my own intimate relationship. And so hopefully a lot of this journey will be reflective of that, and I will share as we move forward. So tomorrow in the next video, I will share with you one of the things that I will, one of the miracles that I'm looking to manifest in my life, and I'm doing more than one thing, which you totally can do as well. But I think I'm going to pick 3 things and see where it goes, right? And see how the journey takes me to that manifestation. And just so that you know, I don't want you to be disappointed if it hasn't fully manifested at the end of the 28 days. It can't, but you will see if you are applying these techniques, how you are getting closer to that manifestation, right? Because a lot of that is all about, our own inner work. So tomorrow I'll share with you what I've journaled about today and what it is that the miracles that I'm manifesting in my life. And then I will keep you abreast of those as we move forward. So thanks so much for being here. If you enjoyed this video and the content that I shared, please like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, hit the bell. All the information to contact me is down below. Please, follow me on Instagram. I do answer the DMs over there much more regularly. I try to stay in the comments on my YouTube channel, but Instagram is, I'm on there a little more often. So if you have any questions, feel free, and you can always find out more information about the products and services and courses that I offer over at LaMeel.com. See you guys in the next video.